Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. Competition. Competing companies can often supply new and operational enterprises with useful knowledge. The presence of consumer and community needs is indicated by the catering services created as a separate business or simply added to existing food service transactions. Current trends in the provisioning and delivery of home meals reflect the catering services needs and receptivity of local clients. Continued use for domestic meals of the restaurant, charcuterie, and delicatessen ices show the clients' perceived value of the time they need to prepare home food. Catering services are likely to be used by such clientele. So, sa tang business is dili gayon mawa ng naay kaning competitor. Uh, for having a competitor kanang makahelp sa ni siya like sa new entrepreneur nga makakuha og new idea kung unsaon niya pagpadagan sa mao nga sa ihang business. For example, bakery. So, tungod kay na kay competitor is ma-observe nimo nga kanang unsa ang lain pang pamaagi aron mas ma-achieve nimo ang imong paninda like how to make kanang sa pagtaro uh, how to make the best bread or how to set up their website. So unsaon nimo pag kanang kay kuha naman tas technology. So unsaon pag mga pamaagi aron mas ma-advertise nimo siya. So same na po ni siya sa kanaang catering services. Then nowadays kanang people are busy and don't always have time to cook. So for example na mga event nana, so mas prefer nila ang kanang mo kuha nila ang mga catering services nga offer a convenient way to get good food without having to cook it for themselves. Next is analyzing competition. A study of competitive catering services shows private party tendencies in catering, kitchen menus, subjects, and entertainment approaches. Customers could create interest by introducing fresh themes and food concept into the catering sector. Customers that continuously use catering services always seek fresh concept to highlight commercial and social gatherings. New and established catering companies have a chance of identifying distinctive cuisine, entertainment, and theme concept that produce quality food and service at a fair price. Catering companies trying to come up with new ideas for parties and events. So, ang mga customer gusto nila ang fresh themes, unique food, and fun entertainment. So, this means that the catering companies have a great opportunity to stand out by creating some exciting menus, themes, and entertainment that wa pa jud na nakita sa mga tao before nimo nga pag-serve og sa inyong catering. Then if they can do this while still offering quality food and good service at a fair price, they'll be very successful. So kung kuan gali mas successful jud ang kanang mao nga kanang pag kuan sa service kay na kuan man ang kanang dibali ang customer satisfaction mahatag man jud. Then next is when, however, the pricing structure for similar services is reasonably close, customers consider four additional major factors: the availability, location, facilities, and service. First, the availability. So, availability is kanang kung kanus ang gusto sa customer nga kanang exact date jud kanus aniyang gusto ang mahitabo ang event, what time, kanang kung kanang unsa na jud nga planuhan ba. So dapat flexible ang catering services is dapat flexible jud nga kanang makuha kan sahay na ay mga last minute nga plano nana. So dapat flexible pud ang catering services na ma-avail to nga service nga gusto sa customer. Then location. Of course, the location is very important sad kay kanang kung asa dapat ma-held ang catering or ang event, asa na ma-held siya. So next is facilities. So ang facilities like sa event like CR, Like kanang kung sa catering is katong sa dapi ang mga kitchen kanang mga wala na guys mga pagkaon may nana sa mga ang mga tables, mga kanang glass, basta kanang mga gamit sa kanang catering services. Then service sa pag-serve, di bali pag-serve ni kanang ang well-trained siya, good kanang warm ang pagkuan sa mga guests, dili ingon na may uban nga mga mugtak na so dapat kuan jud ang paghatag service kay part sa siya sa kanang bantayan sa inana kitchen kay kung magamugta ka away lami kay mo kare ana. The next is survey of competitive catering operations. Availability. Generally, when clients start to design a private feature, a particular date has been chosen. While you may have taken the care to select an alternative 2 or 3 dates, it is certainly preferable to select one. First attention will be given to the catering service, which we may offer both prices and accessibility on the main day. So, para sa ang ganina is, kanang kung kanus mahitabo kanang time ang date kanus mahitabo so kanang naman dyan na muhatag man na og kanang 2 or 3 dates nga murag kanus ang event mahitabo pero mas maayo nang nadyo exact date nga kanang kanus ang event mahitabo kay aron mas maplanuhan na dyan nga kanaang unsa ang mga buhaton anang adlaw unsa ang mga maayo nga paghatag sa service sa kanang sa mo nga cater. Then next is the location. The decision of the consumer is typically based on outstanding facilities or sites. A historical structure overlooks the Pacific Ocean, the ballroom of Hotel del Coronado San Diego, California. The ballrooms offer stunning view of the sea and an attractive environment inside the space, while the location of the property needs remote travel in exchange for installation and sea view. Clients are more than prepared for the trouble. So, location, pares ang ganyan. Kung asa mahitabo ang event. So, ang nadire sa ang PowerPoint is kanang murag ko ani sa gawas man ni siya. So, hatag og sample sa Pilipinas. So, sample is sa Palawan, Siargao. So, murag beach sa mga beach nana. Then, dito mahitabo ang cater nana. Nice ang mga view nga nahitabo. Importante sad ning kung asa ang location, kung nindot ba ang ma-view kay kanang usam po na sa bantayan po sa dire sa catering. Then facilities. In the ultimate selection of a facility, the particular needs of private party can be deciding. Social activities sometimes demand reception facilities or drinks, al fresco venues, various functional areas, dance floors, seating capabilities, audiovisual equipment, and specific functional design are only some of the requirements that customers can take for granted for their events to succeed. Tents are a popular alternative catering function location, whether it is permanent attachment to a hotel facility or temporary installation for certain tasks. Tents have considerably enlarged the extent of private space available. Tenting is used for open-air athletic events or to establish an offices placed near to private homes, museums, and other places. So, facilities. So, of course, kaning facilities is mo na katong hangyo na. Kung sa event is nice function ang CR. Then kung sa catering sa arita sa kanang mga butanganan sa foods like kanang mga tables, chairs, kanang kung outdoor manggali like wedding mo lang itong na tent gamiton pa ning gihatag diri nga scenario gihatag diri nga nasa akong PowerPoint ay nga need og kanang sa outdoors na tent. So ang tent so pwede man na ani mong designan ra ang tent. Then kung na may mga customer nga mo ingon nga kanang gusto na mo open space ang ilahang venue, then so dapat na mga dance floor nana. So nag-set up po dito mo nana. Then kung ang mga area gali na ay area sa asa ang mga drinks sa pagkaon gali sa dapit ang drinks, asa dapit ang mga dessert nakabutang bali murag naka tarong na sa butang dito. Then community. Economic health is the single most important community factor affecting the success of a new catering operation. While fast food and casual family restaurants are considered necessary expenses by many people, full-service restaurants and catering services are not. These businesses are supported by expendable income availability that, in times of economic recession and uncertainty, becomes unavailable. So, manigaw nga kanang importante ingon siya nga most important community factor nga maka-affect sa catering is ang kaning sa community kay tungod kay kanang lamay area gud nga dili kayo kanang makadepende sa kanang tahay dili maka-afford ba nana then na may uban nga kanang mas prefer na lang nila nga mo palit na lang silang pang groceries nana kaysa kanang mo gasto pa kay mahalan kanang kung wa ka joy kuan kanang sa tawag na kanang budget ang usa ka tawo is maglisod sila og kuha sa catering operation nana kay di man tanan tawo maka-afford. Then while fast food ang casual food are service, so wala gyud nagyon nga kaning catering is mas less ang iyang bayaron unlike sa restaurants nga mas expensive man ang mga foods. Mo nga ang uban gali kay mas prefer nila is mag-catering na lang adto birthday sa balay nana. So magpa-cater na lang sila kay nampoy ubang restaurant kun nga kanang mo-avail sila og catering services pod. So dili ingon katong restaurant nga mas mahal jud na may restaurant ka maka-avail sila og kuan. Then labor, the availability of labor that is both skilled and able to work the flexible hours required by catering services is essential to the success of a catering business. Restaurants have full-time staff on call to work at catering functions. Independent catering businesses, however, operate with a skeleton staff of full-time employees supplemented by part-time help as needed. While this practice reduces the cost of employees significantly, a ready source of labor is always questionable. The two major classifications of labor that fulfill catering service needs are kitchen personnel and service staff. Labor, di ba need mo ang mo loto and mag-serve. So dili tanang panahon nga kanang daghang kadtong mga tao, need mo og daghang tao, di ba? So diri is ang catering is different from a regular restaurant. Dili tanang oras is pareha kada adlaw. Sometimes you need a lot of people for big events and sometimes you need just a few. So diri nga time diri nakamurag mo imo pasud ang kadabang kung kuan pa mo murag mo part-time sa imuha na kay aron na po'y madagdagan og kanaang kadabang madagdagan imong tawo, di ba, like kanang murag dana pong cooking labor. So dere is imagine you're running a catering company kanaang di ba need mo og kanang tigluto and tig-serve sa usa ka event. Then ang nakalahi lamang sa catering is kanang sa regular nga restaurant is kanang dili kada adlaw nga dili kanang dahil kanang adlaw daghan tao. So sunod adlaw lahi na po dili pud ingon nga daghan gyapon. Lay panahon jud nga need mo og mga tao di padaban na kanang mga big events and usahay po kung small events need gamay ra jud nga tao. So diri masud ang kaning ingon nga labor kay syempre mo diri ka mokuha og kanang lay ka ng mga tao nga kamo upod mo luto, kamo mo kuan sa mga kamo upod ba sa about sa dire nga kanang mo kuan Location. As location is a significant factor for the catering business, an off-premise catering company such as About Time, the case study in this chapter, relies on outside or external facilities for function location, private homes, country clubs, public facilities. The primary consideration about location for off-premise caterers is the distance that must be traveled to function location. Ay, dire kaning location is, di ba, anong gihiskot ni ganina, so, dagdagan, horay kanis, kanang, dapat pod ang location is, kanang easy, kanang makuan ba, easy ra siya sa transportation, di ingon nga, lisod ang, tay, mato ka ng areas, dili, kada man, lisod ang daan, something na, so, dapat accessible po siya nga, maadtuan sa mga tao. Then, feasibility statement. An integral part of a development proposal for either a new catering business or additions to an existing business is to determine the feasibility of making a profit. Owners and managers need to estimate the amount of revenue and profit that can be achieved by these efforts based on the projected volume of business. So, di ba, kana ang katahay mo start ka og new business, so before ka mo start ana, di ba, imo pang hunahunahon kung unsaon pag kanang maway ba aron makakita ka, then so kani dire nimo mo ni ang kaning feasibility statement is dire masud tong imong murag plano nimo kung unsaon nimo pag mga ways unsaon mo pag kuan ba nga masucceed nimo siya, mo to imo ikuan nga unsa pagka kuan nimo profit, kana ang imo estimate kung pila ang imong pila ang money nga imong pagawas or kanang ma-gain by nana, then kung unsa nga plano nimo aron aron ma-success nimo ang kuan ba, aron basta successful ka sa pagkuan nga business. Then, while a restaurant can forecast the volume of business based on the number of daily meal services, estimated table turnovers calculated according to the number of operating days annually, a catering business must forecast future business and have a function history. In addition, it must also identify the number of catering functions available to be booked within the target area. This becomes a projection for new business development. Forecasting is based on the number of functions, group size, and average check rather than table turnovers and daily receipt. Catering facility space is often left unused. The challenge is to capture as many catering sales opportunities as possible while maintaining a standard of quality and profitability. So, unlike sa restaurant, kanang restaurant is mahibaw na nimo is kanang nakadepende sa kanang pila ang mga tao nga miara sa imuha. So nakadepende na kung pila ang mga tao nga hing order, pila nga kanang unlike sa catering ba kay ang catering is nakadepende po na sa kanang pila ang kanang nagpabook nimo, then kung pila ang kanang kung pila ang nagpabook nimo ana nga time, diha nimo ma-predict kung pila ang imong maragkita, something nana. For the summary, the success of every catering service is driven by market survey research. The clients, the competition, the community, and the workplace are the 4 key intersegments that a market survey needs to study. Statistics and market survey data provide information to create the average consumer profile. The customer profile is an important way to determine the target market to concentrate efforts. A customer is based on 4 main factors: the availability, location, facilities, and service to decide on which catering service to select for private gathering. In a detailed competition study of these criteria, restaurants and catering services that compete directly for the same target market are identified. Third is the availability of qualified staff is a major concern for every catering company. However, catering services offer flexible hours and guaranteed revenue for prospective employees. These two elements have a perceived considerable significance within the part-time workforce. Caterers that can build a core of trustworthy part-time staff, both manufacturing and service, and will be safe in their customer service. That's all. Thank you.